I'm asked frequently, why should I come to the summit and what is it? Well, first, it's a business opportunity, chance to learn everything shaved ice. Why? We have a lot of reasons. I'm going to give you one today. Why don't you think about this? I'm going to show you how 1 gallon, one gallon for a cost of $48.71 will generate $8,000 in sales. Think about that kind of return. Now, we're so confident in our business model, not only are we going to take this, we're going to multiply that by 10. If you come to the summit and are buying a Snowie build and branded kiosk, cart, stand, bus, any of those, we're going to give you for free enough concentrate to produce $80,000 in sales. You want more information? Come to the summit. We'd love to show you how.